Okay, in this lecture we are going to watch file IO. File IO is used to create, read, modify the files. Okay, we can able to create a file, we can able to read the file as well as modify the file. Okay, the reading in normal file, reading in binary format. So there is two different normal text option, binary text option. For a normal reading plus means we can able to write on that, and writing plus means we can able to read on that, append and append plus. On the core W, R and A we can able to do only that particular options only, but on the plus we can able to do subsidiarily opposite things also. On write plus we can able to use read also, on read plus we can able to write. Okay, first of all write. On the write, creating a variable name, then open. Okay, I'm just opening a file, naming as file io.txt on the text format, and what option I'm going to use means write option. Okay, write option, then w file dot write. So here I'm just writing hello. Okay, before that saving my file and running, here showing my file directory, and here running my file. Here you could see on the running itself it just created a file naming as fileio.txt, but there is nothing on that because I didn't write anything on the text file. Okay, now w file dot write, here I am going to write hello everyone, hello everyone /n. Okay, saving my file and running. Here you could see on file IO hello everyone has been written. Okay, I could use another option also, wishes hold my string value, have a nice day /n. Okay, after that w file dot write, then what you are going to, what variable name you are sending. So here wishes, I'm just sending the value in wishes to write on file IO. Okay, saving my file and running. Now you could see hello everyone, have a nice day. Then whenever you are using an file IO option, you need to close that file. Okay, w file dot close. Okay, on w only I can able to write, I can't able to read on that. Okay, for reading on write file I am going to use write plus. Okay, here w file underscore plus, that is equal to open same file io dot txt, opening on what mode, comma w plus. Okay, write plus mode. Then here words, that is equal to, I am just going to use list of words and sending to the write plus file. Here welcome /n, welcome /n, to /n, to /n, planet /n, then earth, planet earth /n, then w file plus dot write. So I'm going to write based on write lines. Okay, write lines and passing a variable name words. Okay, now what I'm going to do means I'm just, so on here itself, whenever I try to run my file, the text inside the words will be placed on that file. Welcome to planet Earth. Okay, now what I'm going to print means I'm going to print how much letters is presented in write plus file. Okay, write plus dot tell function. Okay, tell function. Here running my file, here you could see totally 32 letters is presented on write file plus option, means variable name. Then here I am going to read. It will show 0, means it will show nothing, because, so here you could see there is some gap, which is it's showing null. To overcome this, what is happening means, here on the write plus it was counting all the words, then the pointer will be on the last point. If I read the file at the time, it will read after this. Okay, so I need to move my pointer to the top of the file. Okay, here write file plus dot seek to 0. What this option do means it will go to the first line, means first letter of my file. Then again reading my file. Here you could see now it will print. On first reading it was showing a gap, then I am just moving my pointer to 0. After that it was reading all the line. Okay, so seek is the option act as a pointer. Now I am just closing my write file plus. Okay, close function. We are going to watch read. So our file, that is equal to open file IO dot txt, file IO dot txt, opening on the mode read. Then print r file dot read function. It will read and all the element. If I write print, so I am going to read line by line. R file read line. Okay, read line. It will read the first line. Here it was showing nothing because you need to set the pointer to 0. Okay, here R file dot seek to 0. Here you could see welcome, first line alone printing. Then print, if I seek my value to 2, it will print from L. Okay, L come. Okay, so seek 0 will be go to the first of the file. So now I am going to read all the lines. R file dot read lines. Before that I need to set my pointer. Okay, seek 0. Here you could see it was reading all the files in file IO txt file. Finally I am just closing my file. Then read plus option. Read plus option r file underscore plus equal to open file IO dot txt and reading on r plus mode. Okay, Here same like words, that is equal to welcome to Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way galaxy. Welcome to Milky Way galaxy. Then R file plus dot write words. Okay. Here R file plus dot seek to 0. Okay, seek to 0 to read from starting pointer. Okay, now I am going to read my file. R file dot read function in the printing statement. Now running my file. Here welcome to the planet Earth. Here write must be a string, not in the list. Okay, so here what is the problem? Our file, that is equal to open on read plus, then here so here this is not write option, you need to use write lines. Okay, write lines. Now it will work perfectly fine. On the file IO you could see welcome to Milky Way galaxy. Okay, then closing my file, R file plus dot close function. Okay, I am skipping append. Now append plus. Okay, on the append plus, a file, that is equal to open file IO dot txt. Then on the option append plus a file dot write, so I am going to append Andromeda /n. Okay, then seek to 0, then reading my file, print a file dot read function, saving my file and running welcome to Milky Way galaxy Andromeda. It just appended to my file value. So on each and every time I am using a same file with different inside words, but whenever the newly created option, it will remove completely old element presented in file IO. Okay, it was completely erasing my old value stored on file IO and writing new value to that files. Only on the append option alone you can able to append your values to that particular file. Okay, so read and write, you need to be aware whenever you are going to use a file. Then append function, finally closing my file, a file dot close function. Okay, running my file, welcome to Andromeda galaxy. So here I am just closing my file. You need to be aware of that read and write or completely a different function. You can able to use simultaneously using plus option. Okay, on the read mode you can able to write, on the write mode you can able to read using plus option. As same like append, only able to append and append plus you can able to write and read the values. Okay, so this is file IO.